Hakabedai ba kajing kano halo kajing shlei Assam. Uba Prestone tan song ulong ba ka Meghalaya kamla banshi kajing kekle halo kajing shlei Assam. Ba kajing shlei kam shumaja hakichakalum reglaja hakichakathem. Ba kajing shlei galamiru na kajing bambiang kinala begiru kompenuan durbha. Kabalapan mi kajing sakut ba kajing langko hakinala. Ulong ba kajing kano malakapor kajla Meghalaya haba shlei kalong kabamya hab satya. Bad ula banjur rebro artli gejela baki dan kampanye trilang.
I think I should not think anything about it. You need to go and see yourself. Because see, if you're talking about the flood happens because of what? It is not in hilly. It happens in the lower level. When you are in the lower level, if a proper drainage or a proper infrastructure is designed, so naturally it happens. And you can't even know exactly when are we receiving heavy rainfall or low rainfall. It's not possible, humanly speaking, to foresee all these kind of challenges. So therefore, I think this blame, time and again, I think comes to Meghalaya. It comes to Meghalaya easily just because we are in the higher level, whereas Assam is in the lower level. So we can't help it. I mean, it's not possible to directly blame to Meghalaya, or it's not possible Meghalaya also to blame Assam. I think ultimately we are responsible, both. We are together responsible. Why do we have a low level? Why do we have high level? You understand my point? So we both are equally responsible here.